Grabe. Oh, Jesus. Snowstorm update. Lahat po naglilinis. Lahat nagpapala. Yan. Pasok na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Pasok ba mga bata bukas, ate? Matiting.
I don't know.
Ay, look at that. That's this mushroom. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Okay. That's it. That's enough. That's too much. Let's go. Come inside na, guys. Ate, huwag mo nang tanggalin dyan. It's okay na.
Okay lang, ang init nga eh.
Nainitan ka? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Hindi ko na kinaya. We're now at the grocery store. I'm the fan of this. Hindi ko lang kumain. Ang ganda ng mga prutas. Siguro I'll just gonna buy 2 dahil sale ba to? $1.47 per kilo, per pound I mean. So meaning to say like $90. I just wanna buy this one. And one more. Wala lang. Still ko lang kumain. I don't like this. Okay. Ito gusto ko din. Okay. Orange. $1.69 per pound. I just need 2 pieces only. Okay, cups. I don't like this. And this soft, meaning to say juicy. Yan daw ang pagpili ng orange. Kapag soft, meaning to say juicy. Pero ayaw ko nang makapalang balat na ganito kasi makapalang balat na. So, I think this one. So, we have 2 fruits already. Okay, what else? I need to buy. Let's see. 59 cents. Walang hinog. Ito lang. Ito siguro. Nabubulok ng saging sa amin eh. Dahil ito na lang. Okay. And the broccoli. Broccoli for my daughter. $2.29 per piece. Okay. What else? Number ang bibilin ko. Parang gusto kong magsabagay. Sana may hinog na avocado. Avocado bulk. You can see. 99 cents. I can buy 2. Let me see. Pero alam mo yung gusto kong avocado. Ito eh. $4 ang isa. Ito yung avocado sa Pilipinas. Yan. Pero yan o. $4 ang isa. So, I'd rather buy this one. 2 pieces is 99 cents per piece. So, just gonna buy 2. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next. Gonna buy gulay. Gulay. 199 per pound. Grocery na lang ako mamaya. Pero 199 per pound. Magkano kaya ito sa ano? Ay, pupunta pala ako sa Chinese store. So, I don't need to buy now. 199 dyan na. Tingnan natin mamaya sa other store. So, what else I wanna buy? What else I wanna buy? I need to buy chicken breast for my daughter. Look at this. 3 pieces. It is $17 already. And I don't like it kasi maputla na. Gusto ko yung medyo madilaw-dilaw. Madilaw-dilaw. Marosas-rosas. Let me see here. Sometimes I just wanna buy this. Oh, dahil lang sana. Okay, let me see. This one will be fine. Okay. That's for my daughter because my daughter is very sensitive. So salmon $9. Here. Let me see this one. I think this one is also okay. No, this one. I think I gonna take this one. Then this one. I don't like this. Okay. What else? Actually, ako yung klase ng taong hindi masyadong nagbibili ng marami. Kasi malapit lang dito yung groceries. Ba't ako mag-i-stock ng marami, diba? Tara. I'm gonna go here in gluten-free. I found before here there is a gluten-free area. Let me see. Yan. There's a gluten-free area for my daughter. Let me see what are the glutens area. Which one is gluten-free area? Gluten-free area. On this side? Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, there are glutens. Kasi wala naman dito mabibili yung anak ko. Ay, sabi mo sinasabing gluten free. I don't think I have item for my daughter here. Namang wala sa amin. Oh, I think mash. I don't think I can have some gluten-free area here. I think, let me see. It's gluten-free. Liquid and breathing. Nothing syrup. Chia chocolate, artificial flavor na high practice cream. Wala siya nakasulat na gluten free. Mga no added sugar lang ang nakasulat pero hindi siya nakasulat na gluten free. Ito gluten free to na ay na kasi nakita ko to sa where is the gluten? Ayan, this is gluten free. I don't know if my daughter will like it. Easy fiber. Ay, Jesus. Ang hirap maghanap. Hindi naman tayo naglag. Bago tayo mag-concentrate dito. Hindi na tayo ng itlog. Ang hirap pag maraming allergy. Ang anak mo, mas mahal yung item na dapat mabili para sa kanya, hindi yung mga ordinary food. So let me see how much is the egg here. Okay, the egg here is I'm just buying the cheap one. This one is 70 for 12 pieces. Okay, yes, 369. And I wanna buy milk. Gluten. Kailangan din niya ng lactose-free milk. Lactose-free milk here. 50%. This is lactose. So, lactose intolerance din siya. Yan. Anong pinaibahan nito? Ay, hindi ko makita. 2% pala siya. Ito, 0%. This is the lactose intolerance kasi din siya. Mahal ang mga pagkain ng anak ko, pero I need to buy kaysa naman magsasuffer siya, diba? What else? Dati ang binibili namin, yan, actually meron ako niyan sa ref, kasi imagine mo 3 piraso na yan in one plastic bag, pero katumbas niyan isa nito. But I need to buy. What else? What else? What else I wanna buy? Dito yung sinasabi ko, ay kailangan kong bumili ng snacks. Ang problema ko yung mga gluten-free snacks niya. I have to look pa. Shucks. There's no gluten-free in here. I have to look for the gluten-free. I think here. Hallelujah. Minsan nag-cheat day din kami. Napapakain ko rin siya ng hindi gluten-free. Pero hindi pwedeng parati kasi nagre-react sa body niya yung mga kinakain niyang hindi katama sa katawan niya. So it's very hard, you know. Minsan nasasanay na rin kami, pero nakakatakot magpakain ng hindi sa kanya. Jesus Christ, ano bang bibilhin ko? Doon meron na akong primary na na binili ko dito, egg and saan ba yung mga gluten free area dito? Meron pa rin dito yung gluten free. Ito siya. Meron dito yung gluten free. I know, you see? This is the gluten free. I think I have to buy this one. You see, it's too expensive. Just this one. Gluten free. I think I have to buy this one. We can cook this at home today so that we can ano ba ang mga ingredients? Hindi ko mabasa. Egg. Meron man tayong ingredients sa bahay. I'm gonna buy this one para ito yung kakainin niya. Ano pa? Let's see. Ano ba bibili natin? Tingnan niyo yung regular, 6 something. Tapos, compare natin sa regular. Oh. Naka-sale din siya, 350 lang. Samantalang ito, 6 something. Kasi, yun ang kailangan ng gluten free. But I don't have a choice. What else? Sana may gluten free din na ganito. Cookie dough. Ayaw ko niyang no bake. It's not no bake. Wala. Yun lang talaga. Okay, I have to buy something also. Ano pa ba ang pagkabi kong binigyan? Okay. Punta tayo sa noodles area. Kasi mahilig din sa noodles yung anak ko. Punta tayo sa noodles area. Noodles. Ano yung mga noodles? Noodles. Pancake cereal. Noodles. No, we don't have here. We cannot look in here. Mahina din kasi yung memory ko. Breadcrumbs. Yan, noodles. Dito tayo sa noodles area. And here. Ano ba ang bibilhin ko? Sometimes pinapakain ko din sila ng regular ito, pero hindi parate. Hindi parate kasi nga ano ba to? Ito din. I don't like this. Mapili. Let me see this one. Ito ang nakasale. Pwede yun sa even minsan kailangan din niya mag-snack. Ito rin lactose free din siya. Dosi. Bali 6 pieces yata yung laman nito. 6 pieces. 5. Nakasale siya. Save ako ng $1.50 or 50 cents. So, I think I'm gonna buy 2. Gonna buy 2 kasi lagay ko lang sa freezer. Walang problema. Dati, pwede siyang kumain ng mga regular ice cream. Ngayon, hindi na rin. So, it's very hard, you know. So, we're going home now. We're almost finished. See kung gaano ka lang kamahal ito. Dati, alam niyo ba ito? Magkano dati? $9.99. Ngayon, $29.99. Oh, Jesus Christ. Amazing. Walang masyadong tao. So, are you open? No. Are you open? Okay, I'm gonna be here. Okay, thank you. Here is okay. Alright. I'm gonna be like 1, 2, 3. This one. This one. Okay, I have 1 bag and 3 plastics. So we're going home now and guess what? I saved $50 today kasi You know na pag marunong kang gumamit ng mga points and rewards, you're gonna save. You can use it. Bali, save mo lang yung mga reward points mo at naku-convert it into cash. So, I have more than 2. I will show it to you later. Okay. Okay, here's my car. And I have to open it. Okay, dito ko na lang siya ilagay sa likod. Okay, ito yung pagtakip natin sa sa salamin. Huwag muna kasi basa pa. Now, wow. Kailangan siya. Kasi may pasok kasi kailangan. Oh shit. Okay. So, wow. Wait a minute. Saan ka muna tayo baba kasi ngawit na ako. Then, 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Ganito lang po yan. Ayan. Bago siya lagay. Lagay ko dito. Right. Okay. Well, hindi na ako pupunta ng Chinese store. Kasi meron pa naman akong food sa bahay. Yung gusto ko. And then, yun nga, I save. Nasaan ba yung resibo ko? Ito yung resibo ko. Ang bill ko ay $57. Yan, $57 plus may tax ako na $57.49. So may tax na $1.43. So $58. Nag-use ako ng loyalty. Yan na, loyalty rewards card yan. Tapos $50. So, nag-save ako ng $50. So, ang binayaran ko na lang is $8.92. Tapos, well, I don't have much points today. Yun, gumagamit ako. Ang tawag dito ay Optimum card, which is I could use in like that to earn points. That in Shoppers and that in No Frills and Superstores. Saan pa ba? Yun, yung mga store na ito pwede kang mag-earn ng points. Tapos, pag na-earn mo yung points, yun nga, as what I've said, pwede mo siyang i-convert into cash. Oh, I'm telling you guys, I used more than, for this last year, I used more than $300 to $400 na save ko from saving points rewards. So makes sense, right? So guys, let's see. Kasi baka ako mahuli ng pulis kapag ako ay nagda-drive na may hawak na cellphone. So going home na. Let's see. Okay, ingat. Tingin yung kaliwa kanan. Tapos kakaliwa tayo. And oops, nawala. Yan. Kakaliwa tayo, nawawala. Okay, let's see. Walang masyadong sasakyan. Okay. Yan. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, slowly but surely. Okay, hindi ko na ibibit ang red light. Kasi, guys, the last time I bit the red light, which is hindi ko naman pinansin. Nagbayad kaya ako ng 300 something sa government, sa transportation. Yan. Doon yung Chinese store, kaso hindi na ako pumunta. Okay guys, see you later kasi mag-drive muna ako.